Hey everyone, it's me Tanu. If you are a new person to my channel, please do like, subscribe and share. If this video is worth, then please do subscribe, and if you feel this information is worth of, please do share with your friends, and they can also get this information and they can also clear with these all concepts. Okay, start. Let's begin. Today I'm gonna start the CS subjects. In that, first one, DCF, which means Digital and Computer Fundamental subject. So which is containing digital signals and more about the computer fundamentals. Okay, let's begin with the DCF. Here we have a digital signal which is categorized into two types, that is continuous signal and discrete signal. So here continuous signal is also called as an analog signal and discrete signal is also called as a digital signal. In digital signal have a finite value but at some time instances, whereas in analog signal has a finite value at all the instance of a time. In digital signal, code of a discrete signals is 0 and 1, and it is also called as a binary signals. Okay, then next move to the gate concepts. So what do you mean by gates? The gates means the basic digital circuit building is called as a gate. So it is essentially made of transistors. Keep it in mind that transistor is a word which is used for to create or build on the gates. Some of the logical circuits for a diploma syllabus are first one AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So here OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate are the basic gates, whereas NAND gate and NOR gate are called as an universal gate. So why it is called as a universal gate? Because using these gates we can derive all other gates. So it is called as a universal gate. And then XOR gate and XNOR gate is called as mutually exclusive gates. Let's begin with clarifying all gates. And first one is AND gate. AND gate. So below the AND gate heading you can see the symbol of that, and formula for that is y is equals to a dot b. So we can see the truth table also, a, b and y is equals to a into b. So when input value of a and b is high, then the y is high. Similarly, when input value of a and b is low, then y is also low. So go through the truth table, you can understand very clearly. So first one, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0 and 1 into 1, 1. Next, second one is OR gate. So below you can see the diagram of OR gate, and formula is y is equals to a plus b. It is an addition. So you can go through the truth table, and here either a or b or both are high. Both are high, then the output y is also an high. Okay, then let me clarify about the truth table. So 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is also an 1. Then move to the third one, NOT gate. So below you can see the NOT gate diagram, and its formula is y is equals to a dash. So you can go through the truth table, and if input is high, output is low, or else vice versa. If input is low, then output is high. Fourth one is a NAND gate. So below you can see the NAND gate diagram, and then formula is a y is equals to a dot b dash. So go through the truth table and remember this. So when both inputs are high, then the output is low. Okay. So here y is equals to a dot b dash means changing the number. If the number is 0, you can change it to 1, or else if the number is 1, then you should change it for 0. So first one is 0 into 0 dash is equals to 1. So how means 0 into 0 is equals to 0. So you can write it as 1. So 0 into 1 is 0, but you can write it as 1. Dash means changing the number, either 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. same as it is and go through the truth table. And next one is NOR gate. So below you can see the diagram of it, and formula is y is equals to a plus b dash. Okay, go through the truth table, and here when both inputs are low, then output is high. Okay, then how means 0 plus 0 is a 0, but for dash you can write it as 1, changing the number. So 0 plus 1 is 1, but change the number for 0, same as it is other two. And next move to the sixth gate, that is XOR gate. Below you can see the diagram, and also formula is y is equals to a plus of b. So here you may get little bit confusion, so that go through the truth table. I have given an example that if the a is equals to 0, then b is equals to 1. So a plus of b can be written as a dash into b plus a into b dash. Okay, so here a value is 0, a dash value is 1, so b value is 1, plus a value is 0 and b dash value means b is equals to 1, b dash means 0. Okay, 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. So you can get the answer here. So when the inputs are different, then the output is high. Got it? So when the outputs are different, a and b value are different, means 0 1 1 0, then the output value is 1, means high. Then move to the next gate, seventh one, XNOR gate. It is completely opposite of XOR gate. So below you can see the diagram there. Its formula is y is equals to a plus of b whole dash, means it is same opposite. I have given an example here. If a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0, then y is equals to a plus of b whole bar. It can be written as a dash into b dash plus a into b. So here a dash means 1, b dash means 1, plus a into b means 0 0 as it is. So 1 into 1 1, then plus 0 into 0 is 0, then 1 plus 0 is 1. You got an answer here, and go through the truth table, you will definitely understand this one. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends, and if you are clear with these all concepts, that's fine. And please do subscribe for next more upcoming concepts of a diploma CS subjects for diploma CET, and please do subscribe for more videos.